When you get bigger, you're gonna leave me?
No.
What about if you leave? Because when you get bigger, you're gonna leave. I'm gonna miss you then.
Mama, you don't get it.
I don't get what?
You don't get it, Mom.
What do you mean?
You don't get it because that's why I'll stay with you when Junior stay with their family.
Junior?
Yes.
So you're gonna be like Junior?
Yes.
You're gonna stay with me forever?
Yes.
You're never gonna leave my house? You're never gonna move?
No. I never gotta move.
Why?
Because I love you, Mom.
Because you love me?
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why. Junior loves his family.
Junior loves his family?
Yes. He loves his family.
I love you.
Yeah.